Follow this video to reassemble standard diaphragms on a QUANTM pump. This procedure is the same for both the hygienic and the industrial pumps. Before starting, ensure you have the following required tools shown per your pump model. Disconnect the power. Note, lubricate the motor rotor whenever you are replacing diaphragms. Watch the rotor assembly video for more instructions. Assemble the diaphragm backers, diaphragms, fluid side plates, and O-rings with the fasteners exactly as shown for your equipment model. Screw the assembled diaphragm assemblies into the shaft and hand tighten with medium strength thread locker. Use an applicable wrench to firmly hold the flat of the shaft in place. At the same time, use an applicable wrench to torque the fasteners as specified in the manual. Align the fluid covers to the motor. Secure the fluid covers with fasteners, thread locker, and hand tighten. For hygienic models, install clamp to hold fluid cover in place. Do not tighten clamp until both covers are installed. If after installing the first fluid cover, the opposing diaphragm protrudes away from the center housing, leaving a gap between the center housing and the second fluid cover, do not try to force the diaphragm into position. Instead, complete the following steps to attach the second fluid cover. Slightly loosen the fasteners or clamp on the installed fluid cover. Use an applicable wrench to tighten the fastener on the diaphragm that protrudes away from the center housing until the diaphragm seats properly. Align the remaining fluid cover to the motor. Secure the fluid cover with fasteners and tighten to torque specified in the manual. Tighten using a crisscross pattern. For hygienic models, install clamp to assemble fluid cover. Now you can go back and make sure all fasteners are torqued per instructions in your manual or the other clamps are securely tightened. Refer to the steps in the applicable check valve reassembly video.